Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a messy hair donut bun if you have thin hair just like me. Tie your hair in ponytail, either a high or low ponytail according to your choice. You will need some bobby pins and hairpins. Put your hair through the donut. Part your hair in two sections, just like this. Spread the upper section just like this, the way I'm doing. Spread the lower section of the hair like this, and the leftover hair rotate around your donut. Secure with some hairpins or bobby pins. You don't have to be very perfect because you're going to create a messy bun. And yeah, it's done.